Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today is our unboxing for our June company, Lone Bear Beards. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you, my friend, have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, so today we are going to do our unboxing for our June company, Lone Bear Beard Company, and break down and see what we've got in this box to use for the entire month. If you're unfamiliar with what we have going on, it is Year of the Beard. I use one company's products for the entire month, each month. There's 12 months in a year. There's 12 companies on board with this, and we are doing one company per month, their products only, going in my beard. So let's just jump right into this. I don't know what I have in here, so let's see what Keith sent me to use for the month of June. And I have used, I believe, one product from Lone Bear in the past, sometime last year, and okay, might as well keep this out. We're probably gonna need it. Okay, let's see what kind of note we got here. Doug, thank you for including us in Year of the Beard. We are excited to see your thoughts. Lone Bear Beard, Keith and Cindy. So I'm not gonna read what's on there, but right out the door, boom. Check this out. Now, we'll go into that in a minute. Check this out. I love that logo. That bear, it is awesome. So, thank you, big time, for the hat. That's awesome. All right, so immediately I noticed presentation. And it's not presentation you're thinking about. This is more of product and quality control. I told Keith that I live in South Georgia. It's knocking on 95 degrees here, and I have a black mailbox, so it gets hot. And so what he did to take care of the products was everything's in Ziploc bags. Awesome. I can't say thank you enough, because I've had products melt in the mailbox because I didn't know they were coming in, like when they were gonna get here, and they melt. And it gets over everything. So this way everything is safe, and if one thing melts, it's not going to ruin your whole package. So we've got, let's just empty out these Ziploc bags. And another step that he took is they tape the seam on the beard butter so it does not leak. Awesome. Okay, now we got the business card. Lone Bear Beard, Keith and Cynthia Shelton, handcrafted beard care products with all natural and organic ingredients. So there's that, and then on the back of their business card is the instructions for oil and balm. Awesome. And they also have a laminated business card for you with the instructions. That way, water damage, nothing like that, if you want to leave it by your sink. If I can get this out of here, have a sticker. I'm telling you, that bear is just awesome, awesome logo. Love that bear. Couple poker chips. Those are pretty unique. Haven't seen that before. And two little spatulas to get the balm out. So let's just start at the top. So we've got 2 oils, 2 balms in matching scents, and all right, so this one is Blessed Beardsman. This is the collaboration with the Blessed Beardsman. And let's see if we can tell what the scent is. Ooh. Oh, that's good. What is it? What is it? Black cherry. Check out that label. That just looks awesome. Black cherry, all organic ingredients: casserole, jojoba, argan, coconut, sweet almond, essential oils, and fragrance oils. All right, so let's get into the matching balm. A little subtle. You can see that yellow color. Organic Missouri beeswax. Now, Lone Bear is based out of Missouri, and they source their beeswax from Missouri. It smells good. It's a little more subtle than the oil. And then we have a matching butter in the Blessed Beardsman. Blessed Bear. What did I call it? This is Blessed Bear. And oh yeah, look at that. I got to see. Oh yeah, that is, oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah. So we got that butter. It comes in the blue, I think that's plastic. Yeah, plastic. All right, so our other scent that we have is Grizzly Bear. Get a shake. Ooh, that smells good. What is that? Cedar. Let me see that label. And this is cedar, so let's see, balm. Oh yeah. Just like the other one, a little bit more subtle, and that's just in can. When we warm it up, it's probably going to get a little more pronounced. And then we also have Nighttime Beard Butter. And that label is got the bear with a moon in the background. There's a couple. That's a complex to me. That smells, I get hints of lavender, but I'm picking up something else and I don't know. But it smells really, really good. And then we also have, check out the way this is. This is our conditioning beard wash in Blessed Bear, which is the black cherry, and all taped up. We don't want anything to leak in shipping and transport. We want it all to get to where it needs to be, all in one piece. Oh man, that black cherry, Keith, you got the black cherry on point. So 4 ounce conditioning beard wash in a blue, cobalt blue bottle with the pop top. So these are all the products that are going to be going in my beard for the month of June. So I'm looking forward to this. We're going to test these out. We're going to give them a run, and I'll come to you with weekly updates as to how these products are doing for my beard. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.